Tonight, we turn now to mental health concerns and children. There is a shortage of professionals to treat those kids here in Ohio and nationwide. And that means long waiting lists for services, impacting the children who need the help and their parents as well. Action News reporter J.D. Pooley has the story from Tiffin tonight.
A demand for behavioral health services for youth has several organizations teaming up with officials here at Seneca County Job and Family Services.
And they need to realize that it's okay, and we're here to support them. There are services out there for them.
Officials say that support will be easier to find thanks to a partnership with the county and Firelands Counseling and Recovery Services.
Unfortunately, what's happening is when a parent identifies that their child has an emotional or mental health problem, or maybe a blossoming substance use issue, and they decide that treatment is needed, they're picking up the phone and calling the local treatment agencies, only to find that there's a waiting list.
A host of local child-serving providers sat down together to identify what needed to be done locally for the children.
We realized that a lot of the agencies were providing individual services to the kids, but not groups.
Michelle Klinger says group services are also a solution to addressing the behavioral health workforce shortages.
Now, you can only service one child in an individual session, but if we do a group, we can take care of like 12 different children.
Klinger says the group treatment is not subpar care, but very powerful for treatment. She's seeing progress with a recent teenage group struggling with depression and anxiety issues.
We get feedback from the parents and other providers that they're doing better.
Crystal Smith, who is the foster care adoption supervisor in Seneca County, is excited about the new partnership.
One thing I took away from our collaboration meeting was, being able to say, here's a resource we can't offer, but it's okay to go to another agency. I think that's very big for all of us coming to the table.
In Tiffin, J.D. Pooley, 13 Action News.